Testimony continued today in the wrongful death lawsuit filed on behalf of Andrew Joseph III, whose parents are suing the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, blaming them for their 14-year-old son's death. Today, outside federal court, relatives of some recent high-profile cases involving law enforcement and gun violence gathered to support the Joseph family. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser reports.
We're here to demand accountability in the name of Andrew Joseph III.
They came from all over the country.
My family is from the state of Mississippi,
Oakland, California,
Phoenix, Arizona.
Relatives of people killed in historic and high-profile cases involving police and gun violence. Names like Oscar Grant, Breonna Taylor, Jacob Blake, and Emmett Till.
They often say that they're part of a club that nobody wants to be in.
They traveled here to support the family of Andrew Joseph III and their wrongful death lawsuit against the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office.
and we are believing and praying for a favorable outcome so this can be the start of a change.
The Josephs are suing the Hillsborough Sheriff's Office for $30 million, saying the agency violated their son's civil rights by ejecting him from the fairgrounds on Student Day in 2014, dropping him outside the gates with no supervision and without contacting a parent or responsible adult. The 14-year-old was hit by a car and killed 2 hours later while trying to run across I-4 for a ride home.
Asking for accountability, supporting this family so that we can see accountability take place.
In addition to their emotional support, these families are united and motivated in their battle against something called qualified immunity, laws that shield government and law enforcement agencies from civil suits. It's an issue many here have faced themselves, and a legal battle the Joseph family spent 8.5 years battling to finally have their day in court.
I want to see the end of qualified immunity, and I want to see the justice for this family that they deserve.
In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
Today in court, jurors heard more testimony from sheriff's deputies who were working at the fairgrounds the night Joseph was killed, as well as those responsible for drafting the procedures that were followed that night. The trial is expected to last up to 2 weeks.